In this video, I will talk about noise immunity and noise margin of our logic gate. When we are dealing with a digital logic circuit, the logic circuit may encounter noise voltages from different parts of our circuit. If the noise voltage crosses a certain limit or specific limit, the logic gate may malfunction. So this arises two terms, noise immunity and noise margin, in case of our digital logic circuit. At first I will define this noise immunity and noise margin. After that I will show you two formula to find out the value of noise margin. After that I will show you how to calculate noise margin in case of TTL logic family. So what is this noise immunity? Noise immunity is the circuit's ability to tolerate noise at the input side. Let's say anyhow a noise voltage is generated in our digital circuit. The noise immunity will indicate the ability of our digital circuit to withstand this noise voltage. To measure the noise immunity of a circuit, we use a term, noise margin. The amount of noise voltage for which our digital circuit will capable of to tolerate that noise voltage will be known as our noise margin. Now let me describe this noise margin. Noise margin is the quantitative measure of noise immunity. Quantitative measure, that means I will calculate the amount of noise voltage for which our circuit will able to tolerate that noise voltage, see, or the amount of noise spike that the logic gate can withstand. So noise margin is the quantitative measure of our noise immunity. That means it will measure the amount of noise voltage for which the circuit can resist that noise voltage and will not show any false operation in our logic circuit. There are two values of noise margin specified for any logic circuit. First one is low level noise margin, second one is high level noise margin. I will denote low level noise margin with VNL and high level noise margin with VNH. So how do we calculate this low level noise margin? See, VNL is equal to VIL max minus VOL max. See here, if I show the input logic levels with a block diagram like this and output logic levels with a block diagram like this, see, low level noise margin is VIL max when our input is at logic 0. The maximum amount of voltage that can be treated as logic 0 is known as VIL max, and the maximum amount of voltage that can be treated as logic 0 is known as VOL max. If I take the difference of VIL max and VOL max, I will get our low level noise margin. See, this will be our low level noise margin, or the range of voltage between these two will be our low level noise margin. What will be our high level noise margin? See, VNH equal to VOH minimum minus VIH minimum. See, when our output is at logic 1, the minimum amount of voltage that can be treated as logic 1 is equal to VOH minimum, and the maximum amount of voltage that can be treated as logic 1 at the input side is known as VIH mean. If I take the difference of this VOH mean and VIH mean, I will get our VNH. See, the range of voltage in this range will be our VNH. That means for high level voltage our digital circuit will withstand any noise voltage in this range, and for low level our digital circuit will resist any noise voltage in this range and will not show any false operation in our circuit. Any noise spike greater than the noise margin may drive the gate into the intermediate range, and this gives rise to ambiguity in the operation of our logic circuit. That means if we have any negative noise spikes less than this VNH, that will drive the gate into this intermediate voltage range, which will create an uncertainty in the operation of our logic circuits. If we have a positive noise spikes greater than this VNL, that will drive the gate into this intermediate range, which will again create uncertainty in the operation of our logic circuit. Now let me show you an example of calculating noise margin for our TTL logic family. The table shows the input and output voltage specification for the standard TTL logic families. Parameters: VOH when output high, minimum voltage is 2.4 volt, typical voltage could be 3.5 volt, and maximum voltage is not specified. VOL, minimum voltage is not specified, typical voltage 0.2 volt and maximum could be 0.4 volt. Minimum voltage VIH, minimum value of this voltage could be 2.0 volt, typical voltage could be no value is specified, maximum voltage is not specified. VIL, minimum voltage, typical voltage are not specified, maximum voltage could be 0.8 volt. We have to use these values to calculate the maximum values of noise spike that can be tolerated when a high output is driving an input. The maximum value of noise spike when high output is driving an input, that means we are asked to calculate our VNH, that means we have to calculate the maximum value of noise spike that the circuit could resist and will not show any false operation in our given circuit. And in B, we have to calculate the maximum value of noise spike when low output is driving an input. Low output is driving an input, that means we have to calculate our VNL, low level noise margin. So, to calculate VNH and VNL, I will use our previous block diagram to calculate our VNH and VNL. See, the minimum value of this VOH could be 2.4 volt and the maximum value of this VOL could be 0.4 volt. That means I will specify VOH minimum equal to 2.4 volt, VOL max as 0.4 volt, VIH minimum could be 2 volt and VIL max could be 0.8 volt. I will set these four values in our logic level diagram. See here, VIH min could be 2.0 volt, VIL max could be 0.8 volt, VOH min equal to 2.4 volt, VOL max equal to 0.4 volt, which implies that when an output voltage is high, the minimum value of this logic 1 could be as small as 2.4 volt. When our input is at logic 1, the minimum value of this logic 1 could be as small as 2.0 volt. And you see that the voltage difference between this VOH and VIH, VOH minimum and VIH minimum is known as our high level noise margin. See, VNH equal to VOH mean, here VOH mean equal to 2.4 volt and VIH mean, VOH mean minus VIH mean, here VIH mean equal to 2 volt, which implies that our high level noise margin will be equal to 0.4 volt. This indicates that when our logic circuit is at logic 1, the maximum value of the noise spike could be 0.4 volt, for which the circuit can withstand and will not show any false operation in our circuit. Now our VNL, see here at the input, the maximum value of this logic 0, which is known as VIL max, could be as larger as 0.8 volt, and the maximum value of the logic 0 at the output logic level could be as large as 0.4 volt. And I have shown you that low level noise margin is the difference of this VIL max and VOL max. Here VNL will be equal to VIL max, which is equal to 0.8, and here VOL max equal to 0.4, which indicates that VNL will be equal to 0.4 volt. This implies that when our circuit is at logic 0, the maximum value of the noise spike could be 0.4 volt. As the noise is a random signal, therefore it will take a shape like this. This is a spike, and the maximum value of the noise spike could be 0.4 volt, and for maximum that amount of voltage our circuit will not show any false operation. See here, I have calculated VNH equal to VOH minimum minus VIH minimum equal to 2.4 minus 2 volt, 0.4 volt, and VNL equal to, this is low level noise margin, VIL max minus VOL max, 0.8 minus 0.4 volt equal to 0.4 volt. Okay, that's it. Thank you.